I don't know how to do anything on it. Okay, so it was sliding down the refrigerator. It wasn't even sticking a minute ago. Now it's not sliding. It's magic. I guess I should probably read the directions, but if you don't read the directions like I don't, how are you supposed to even work this thing? Oh, there we go. Oh, wait. Oh, there we go. Ha. Okay, so there. Nice. Now what am I supposed to do? Oh my gosh. No, I don't want that anymore. Okay. And like I said, it was sliding down the refrigerator. It was going like this by itself. Like it wasn't that great of a magnet, but now it's like, it's holding just fine, which I don't understand. So no, I didn't read the directions, but you know what? That's my fault. Don't hold it against it. And it looks like it's holding pretty well now. Okay.